heartwarming and exciting to see you all in this first Western Visayas Business Conference and Expo. Taking off from the One Visayas Expo that our RVC6 mounted 2 years ago in Iloilo City, and due to turn of events, this business conference was conceptualized to strengthen collaboration, ignite partnerships, gain insights, and craft sustainable strategies that will level up our MSMEs and shape the future of our regional economy. This initiative of the EDC is a testament that we do not work in silos, but rather in a dynamic collaboration and synergy to revitalize industries, reinvigorate services, and promote trade and investment, to generate quality jobs for our people, develop competitive products and services for the domestic and international markets, and a player in the global value chain. Let this conference be a platform for deep conversations and meaningful connections. The challenges that we face as a region is real, but so too are the abundant opportunities. We want to ensure that our potential and existing MSMEs have access to the tools, the services, and networks that they need not just to survive in this competitive economic landscape, but to be resilient and thrive. And it is through this initiative that we show our collective and synergistic actions that we will level up and steer the region's economy on a high growth path. Thank you to all Economic Development Committee members and partners, and most of all, to all our MSMEs for being here. Let us make this event a catalyst for progress. Sa liwat, madaming salamat and my warmest welcome to all of you.